What excites me about Tunstall and the equipment that we manufacture is being able to save lives every day in terms of the technology that we're going to bring to bear.
We've got 80 engineers. They're employed primarily over 5 different countries. We understand our customers. We listen to them and we know what they're looking for, and we develop systems and software and services to specifically support them.
Everything we do is around people. It's a great combination of technology and people. So we understand what we're delivering to the end user, how we manage that through a service, and how that's underpinned by some very smart systems and ultimately the products that you'll see in our factories.
We have to know that our systems and products work every time. Our guys here work directly with the people in the factory to ensure that the product is not only designed well, but we can also make it to really high quality standards so that when it gets out into the field, that it's perfect every time.
This is the area where we start the assembly processes for the Lifeline Vi units. This is what we call the surface mount assembly area. We'll place 29,000 components an hour. The Lifeline Vi unit is a alarm telephone unit which will be installed in the user's home. They will typically carry around a little pendant trigger with them, and if they have any problems they'll be able to press that trigger. It will raise an alarm call to a control centre, and they will then be able to talk to an operator who will be able to decide what action is necessary.
Every day I know that our products are supporting people who are vulnerable, who need help and may otherwise not get it. And really, to be honest, that's what motivates me every day.
During the production of the Lifeline Vi unit, there are a number of checks to make sure that the quality is going to be good. This is the wave solder assembly line. Here, a number of operators insert components into the board. It then goes into the wave solder machine halfway down the line. There, all the components are soldered in one pass, and then there's an inspector at the end who has a quick check to make sure that everything's okay.
Lifeline Vi in particular is one of those evolutionary products that we've developed over many, many years, and it brings together a whole host of software functionality.
Tunstall's unique position in the market relates to the fact that we have an understanding of the complete service.
This is the automatic optical inspection stage. Here what we do is we put a panel into the machine takes various photographs of it and it compares it against the database to make sure that the board is built correctly.
One thing that sets Tunstall aside from all its competitors is this rich history that we've got and the experience to be able to deliver high quality ward and call equipment, telecare equipment and monitoring, all wrapped up with a high level of service.
It's great thinking that we do something that really makes a difference.